Hey, I'm Angelo Carter. I've been working for West Roofing since 1996. I'm a do-all person here. I don't have one particular thing that I do because I don't want to do one particular thing. I want to be a helpful person in every way that I can. My main thing that I do here is install foam. Installing the foam itself, I've been doing it since 2009. I started in Iraq, but I've been actually putting silicone on roofs since, 1998. I pulled my first time I ever pulled the trigger. I've grown to just love what I do. I really had a passion for putting silicone down and learning the different variations of silicones and urethanes and acrylics. All these things were very, very important for me to know before I knew foam. I'm not saying that it's easier to learn foam, but it's easier for me at that point in my career because I was the last guy on the roof. And I wanted to be the last guy on the roof because it was up to me to make sure that it didn't leak. And I took that personal. So I had to know different silicones, urethanes, and acrylics to make sure that I was not only doing it right, but doing it the best job that I could.